Hi, I'm Jeff Ludy, the owner of Houston Window Experts, and I want to start by saying thank you so much for watching this video. Hey, today I'm going to show you a transformation from smaller windows to a giant window because we have a great view. We're located on a beautiful lake. There's a lot to see here. The homeowner bought this house recently and said, I love the house, but I love that view. Where's my view? How come it's so obstructed? You can see that window right here in the background. This is the before. We're about to pull this out. We're gonna make a video about that. I think you're really gonna like it. Now, before we get there, I just wanna say that we get a lot of calls from people all the time say, Jeff, I wish I was in Houston. I'd love to hire you to do my window project, but hey, I'm in New Jersey, I'm in Seattle. And so they started asking us for help. Like, Jeff, do you have a window dealer in my area? And so we created a website for that. It's called jeffslist.com, jeffslist.com. If you go there, you'll be able to enter your address, and then we can connect with you to refer you to one of our local dealers that we know that are quality people who treat you the way Houston Window Experts treats our clients. So check that out, jeffslist.com. Okay, so what you see here today is basically a wood window. This is a great window. It's not broken in any way. The outside of it is wood, and so it is having some issues with some rotting. And we're in this house today, and we're replacing all the doors with a little different look, and also they were rotting, so we're gonna go with an aluminum extruded door made by Windsor. I've got a video of that part of this project, and I think you ought to check it out. We'll just put a little right here. You can click on that and add that to your playlist to watch that when you're done here. Really cool video about that. Wood interior, stained. We're gonna upgrade this a little bit, and you'll see when we're all done, we're gonna upgrade it to an aluminum look. It's gonna be more contemporary. It's gonna have a narrower profile. But the big thing that's happening here is that we're going without these grids. We're going without this divider. We're going out without this divider, without those grids, and we're gonna put in one big expansive view so they can enjoy what they paid for. You pay more when you're on the lake. So if you're on the lake, you wanna get all the view you can. Now, here's the challenge, right? And I'm gonna put some footage up here for you on this. We had to rent a spider crane. You know, spider crane, the legs come down, it's got a boom on it, to move just the glass. The glass comes separate. It's so big and heavy, it comes separate from the window frame. So we're gonna get it back to the back of the yard. We've got some really difficult obstacles we have to go over. Thank God we have 23 people working here today because we wanted to get this job done in 3 days. And so we've got some good man force. We've got a spider crane. So we'll take a look at what we're doing, and we'll come back in just a minute. Okay, it's in. Are you ready for the big reveal? Oh my gosh, this thing looks awesome. Do you see that? I mean, this is ginormous. Is that even a word? This is 10.5 feet wide, 8.5 feet tall. The glass itself was about nearly 1,000 pounds. And of course you have the frame on it. And as you saw in the video, just the work and the effort that went into it. I'm so proud of our team. They do such amazing work. And you know, there was 23 of us here, plus our painter crew. There's 27 of us here for 3 days. This was a massive job. They did an incredible job, and the homeowner is gonna love this view. It's a beautiful view. It's a great window, and I'm really proud of what our guys have done. Hey, so I just want to do a quick shout out to Amber at Herc Rentals. Amber was so helpful. She helped us get that spider crane, and there was some delays, and then she made it happen. She pulled through for us. So shout out to Herc and to Amber for doing such a great job. All right, don't forget jeffslist.com. If you're looking for a window company in your area, we know a lot of great window companies. Go there and check it out. Maybe we'll find one that works as well as we do for you, because that's the goal, right? Making people happy and helping them enjoy their homes even more. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and we'll talk again real soon.